The wind noise might be a bit much, but that's the last of the sunrise. But yeah, the car that overtook me, there he is up there. Oh, I did have one behind me. Bit of a kangaroo road, this one, so I'm just gonna be quick. Pretty much all the harvesting is done. I did see someone just cutting back stubble the other day. But yeah, this area stays green as long as any area does. Let me rephrase that. This area stays greener than most areas do. That's what I meant to say. But yes, old age, what can I say? Okay. I'm going to turn this off for a while.